Righty ho. So, been a bit busy. Now, this side of the screen here, there you can see, it says, I want to build the next generation of Facebook / TikTok with a cryptocurrency wallet. Now, a lot of you were turning around and saying, well, quite a few of you turn around and says about using AI. Well, there. So that's where I am, v0.dev/chat. There. Now, this is what I've done. So, I asked it there. I understand that you want to build the next generation of social media platform similar to Facebook or TikTok with an integrated cryptocurrency wallet. Well, the wallet's important. This is an ambitious project that would require significant development effort and careful consideration of various aspects such as security, scalability, and user experience. Please let me know with a high level of overview some basic components to get you started. Now what it's done is this. It's given me a platform of box there, box here, and arrows to these boxes here, that there, and that there. So, it's gone at the bottom, man. Don't want to do that. Right, where am I? Where was I? Yeah. So, user interface, front end of your application, API gateway, manages and routes all incoming requests, authentication service, handles user registration, login, content service, manages posts, comments and user generated content, social graphic service, manages user connections, interactions, wallet service, interacts with blockchain for cryptocurrency transactions. Now, in later videos, I will explain why we're having the wallet service, because the wallet service is important. Yeah. Now, it's saying here, this is the React logo, Next Gen Social V1. This component provides a basic structure. Hold on, I'll take my glasses off because it's hard to see. Right. Sidebar with navigation icons, different sections. Now, as you can see, I have 0 messages remaining because I have to upgrade the plan. But I'm not going to upgrade the plan because it says it's free. So I'm just going to do it day by day. Now, it's also saying back-end development to create a robust API to handle data, handle users' data, content, social interactions, and cryptocurrency transactions. Database designed, efficient database schemas for storing user information. And this bit here, storing user information, the database. Right. What I've got on Facebook is a thing called PetaHighway. And PetaHighway is a different way of doing a database. It's a database that is, it will be gigantic. And because it's going to be gigantic, it's going to need to be stored in a safe place, because data, like our data which we use every day, and like our financial, etc., this is where the wallet data and all that is in there. Content delivery, where is it? Content delivery. Implement a content delivery network, CDN, for efficient delivery of viable content. Cryptocurrency integration, development of an integrated or a cryptocurrency wallet system. I was thinking like something like MetaMask, or Tajam or something like that, and like using facial recognition. Obviously your camera looks straight at your face and it scans you to identify you as you and not a clone. So the scalability. So there's lots of bits to this, as I say, and you're looking at it. And I'm going to change the colour of this bit, etc. And this is AI that's building this. So I'm going to go down a bit further. Remember, building a platform of this scale is a significant undertaking that would typically involve a team of developers, designers, other professionals. So this is where you lucky people, you lucky people, like I say, most of the things which I've tried to do, I've asked for help on certain bits and people are like, ha 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 ha, Now, here's the thing, video does not lie. So, welcome to Seeking You. Seeking You is about seeking other people. Now, this bit here, designers, professionals, it's important to start with a minimal viable product or an MVP, and literally based on other feedback and performance metrics. So this is going to need maybe 100 or more people, but you're looking at the groundworks of it, and as I say, to all of you out there who doubted another component of this, one second. Right, so another component of what I've just showed you is this. Learning. Adult learning. I'm 57 years old. And I came across what you just looked at through somebody, and it is from a no code. And what the person says is this. I'm going to let you listen to what the person... Hold on a second. A second. Right. So you're about to hear this in a moment. This is the voice of the guy who I've been watching. Oh, skip off the adverts, man. Polestar. Here we go. Right. So this is the guy.
Which means that you can build components or entire projects without having to be a designer or developer. So let's jump in here, and the first thing that you'll notice is that it's pretty much just set up as a chat. So you can come in here and you can kind of just describe what you would like.
Now this bloke's on YouTube. That's what I'm watching.
That's similar to Airbnb. I'll probably have a search function and showcase some properties. So you see, it's actually coding this as we speak. And in a second, right now, you're going to see the preview of what it's actually coding. And what you just saw was actually in real time.
So there you go. You see, yes, I do want to like pass the course. I do. And this bit with Seeking You, that is behind the screen on the right hand side. But I have looked at the code. And the code is what VO has done for us. So that's using AI. And the only reason I'm using it is, like I say, I came across We Are No Code, and that was from a month ago. And I just came across it again today, where he's mentioning VO, AI, and he's building something, but he's building something a little bit different. And somebody mentioned that in the future, AI will be able to build anything we want. So I thought I'd stretch AI out a little bit. And in this video, you have seen half an hour of me telling AI instructions and then pressing the copy so it goes onto clipboard, and then getting to where there's no question. I can't ask any more questions for that day, so I can come back to it tomorrow and then add another section. And to all of you out there who said, oh, he'll never do it, well, you've just seen it. So this is what I've been saying all along. I mean, the VO, which I've just showed you on the laptop, that is loaded in. I'm signed into it, because you've got to sign up. And like I say, I asked it a question, it gave me an answer, and it gave me code to do with that answer. So that'll help with one block, and I just do everything using VO for Seeking You, and then other bits and pieces, they'll be separate. All this is going to help. And like I just asked before, where it says about designers and developers, that may be you out in YouTube world, could be, and let's share it. I've named it, so let's share it, and let's see if we can challenge the big boys, you know. And here's the best bit: as this YouTube channel grows, they can look at it and see if it's for them, and we go from there. This is how you grow things. You know, I mean, it's thinking the idea, implementing the idea, and then taking it to the next level, which I'll be doing with Udemy as well, because I've run out of questions today on VO. So I'll just close it down and wait till tomorrow. And then in the meantime, do my Udemy web development course and learn the HTML5, the CSS, JavaScript, and that'll help me along with this, what you've just seen, basically. So it interconnects. Do you understand what I mean? Well, I hope you do, because like I say, at the end of the day, there's an old saying, see with your own two eyes and believe it. And you've just done that. Now, the one thing I'm not going to show you is what's behind Seeking You. The only people who will see that are people who come in to help. That, you know, if they come in to help to bring it out, and with the API, the back end, and all of the different sections, I don't know everything. That's the honest answer. I don't know everything. But like somebody mentioned, having an API. To be completely honest with you, no clue. But somebody else has got a clue. So this is an opportunity, and you've seen in the video what I've done today using artificial intelligence. So we shall see maybe next April what VO, Cursor, or there's a few more, what they are capable of doing. So I'm just experimenting and seeing where that experiment goes to. And like I say, when I typed in what I wanted, it immediately started to do something, and the other side of the screen just went down. I mean, yes, there was error codes, but I asked it to fix the error code, redefine it, retry it, and it did that. So the error wasn't major. It wasn't where I'm sticking my hand going, help. Do you know what I mean? But this is part of like my course from now on in, is like learning and writing all of this. It's on that side too. Yeah, writing all that. Understanding what I'm writing as well. It's not just a case of typing it. I want to understand it. And that is part of the learning the learning process. Adult learning. You know, I mean, some people say like, you know, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. I kind of disagree with that. But that's my own point of view. Yeah? And what I want to show you is how, from start to finish, how I'm doing it, in the hope it could help somebody else. And when somebody mentioned about a next generation app that would take a lot, you've already seen it on this video, because it tells you it's going to need lots of people. So that's lots of jobs, isn't it, if you think about it? And a new form of cryptocurrency. And this new form of cryptocurrency, well, all those who help build, they get a share. Think about that one. Yeah, they all get a share because they're helping to build it. So, again, thank you, wonderful people, for being with me this far. I mean, it's just, It's going to be difficult. It's going to be technical in parts. And there are people out there who are vastly more skilled at this than I am. Because you know, when I left Kenton School years ago, there's loads of wagons outside. Well, Luton vans. There's about 7 or 8 Luton vans outside on the road. And I was like, there's a lot of vans out there. And the receptionist said, those are the new Commodore and Amstrad and Aiken computers. And I went, oh, that's lovely, isn't it? The day I leave, the computers come in. And she said, well, you could go on to sixth form. And I went, yeah, but my mum needs the money. That was the downside. Stepdad was an a-hole. So it was a case of get to the career office near the City Hall. They sent me to Vickers, Mitchell Bearings, and that's where I started the whole thing after I left school. And like I say, I did try Clate. Clate's the basics, and that's where you had to use the old floppy disks. But computers have jumped light years ahead from that. I mean, it was even the same with the compact discs. We've gone light years ahead of that. So now you know. And now you're seeing for your own two eyes. And hopefully, those of you who have the skills will get in touch. Because it did tell you that it's going to need a big team. So that's not just me. There's no I in team. Just remember that. So think of it this way. What you've seen today may be the future. It may be as big as Facebook / TikTok. I'm not saying it's going to be. I'm just saying it has the potential. Because 30 minutes of video or you go live. Neither Facebook nor TikTok currently do that. Think about it. So you're giving the person, the user, a little bit more time to do their video, and there's going to be business sections, there's going to be community sections. Community as in, like, say, a community organisation section where for groups, etc. And business. So if you've got a business yourself, put a business page on, and all of the business tools, like what Facebook has is Meta Business Suite, they are available. That's what I'm saying about the extra people who are going to be needed. And look at it this way. If it does take off and make a lot of money, the team shares it together. Isn't that good? And if it does take off and is in the iTunes store and the App Store, and it gets as big as either Facebook or TikTok, here's the thing. I'm going to go out and buy myself a car. And that car is going to be the same car I did an advertisement for. Well, the advertisement was for Yanamize, and a lot of you turned around and said, why are you doing an advert for such and such? Well, the car's beautiful, the car is stunning, and to be honest, and I will be honest, having that car, the Lamborghini Urus, with all in pearlescent white, with 2 black stripes from the front to the back, Newcastle-United club crest in the rear window, and my YouTube along the side, both sides of the car. Wouldn't that be special? Wouldn't that be bloody epic? So, you've seen what's being created today, and that has the potential. So, thanks very much for watching, and you can say what you want at the end of the day. There's no CGI, yeah? Well, there's AI. There's your AI. Right there. But the AI is VO. Hold on. I'll get it right. It's vo.dev/chat. That's it. I just signed into it because I've been watching a fellow YouTuber who just heard in the video. And he can be, pardon me, he can be found at, 1 second, I'll tell you. 1 second. We are no code.
This is called a hypnic journey. It mostly happens to people who have shallow sleep.
Right.
Time it generated this entire thing, but it still has some errors.
So yeah, it's We Are No Code. It's from 1 month ago, and this is the second video. But like I say, this is 7 different features, and it's all AI. And just to prove to you, there's his page. There. So, to all of you out there who are watching this and laughing your socks off, well, to be honest, carry on laughing your socks off, because what I've showed you is there. Tomorrow I'll go back into it, and when it comes round to payday, I'll see how much it is to upgrade to the next plan, because it's free at the moment. And if it's affordable, I'll sort it. But like I say, right there, welcome to Seeking You. And that is basically seeking people to come together. Anyway, cheers for watching, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Thanks for watching, and if you like, give me one of them, subscribe, spread the word, because I'm not going to stop. I'm going to do me coding for Udemy, get me certificates, and hopefully by the time I've got my certificates, what you've just seen on screen is built. And if it needs like more people to come in, I'll just leave it on my computer until you all come in, you all sign up, and we'll take it to the next level. And again, there is no I in team. Correct? Thank you.